Hi beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be blow drying my hair so that I can trim my ends. And I'm actually going to try out this new Revlon blow dryer brush. Well, it's actually been around quite some time. It's just new to me. I'm starting off with freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled hair. Also, check out my DIY videos on how I make and apply my homemade powerhouse shampoo for healthy hair growth and thickness. I have my hair in twists so that it can be in a stretched state. And I'm going to be drying my hair in medium-sized sections. So first I'm going in with my heat protectant. I'm running a comb through my hair just to be sure there are no tangles before I use the blow dryer brush. Next, I turn the blow dryer on high and use the tension method as I'm moving the brush up and down the length of my hair. The tension method is a game changer. It makes it so much easier to run the brush through my hair without worrying about it snagging or pulling it. Once my hair is stretched, I put the dryer on low, and starting from the ends, I gently run the brush through my hair. I am so excited about this brush. Look how it's just gliding through my hair. This is saving me so much time. Now that the first section is completed, I'm going to twist it up and move to the next section. I made this section bigger than the others so that I can test to see how much hair could this brush actually handle. And I am impressed. It did handle the large section just fine. It's just that because I am wanting my hair a little bit more stretched because I'm trimming my ends, I'm going to break this large section into two. I'm taking the finished side down so that you can get a sneak peek of the results so far. I am so shocked on how easy this was. My hair doesn't feel hard. It feels so soft and fluffy, and the comb just runs through my hair with ease. I must say I am very impressed. I am very happy with my results. And I have to give Revlon a 10 out of 10 on their blow dryer brush. It really did its job. I noticed that the brush gave full coverage and it did distribute the heat evenly and did not leave any damp spots. This dryer did leave my hair feeling soft and dry. Comment below if you've ever tried this brush, and if so, how did it work for you? As you can see, I need a trim, and I am so excited now that my hair is stretched and I can give myself a much needed trim. The next thing is to reinstall my twists in my hair to continue on with the Protective Style Challenge for this year. So far I have 5.5 inches of growth in this challenge, and I'm currently at the 6-month mark, and I have 6 more months to go. Since it's pretty late in bedtime, I'm going to put my hair in 2 braids, and I'll finish the rest and trim my ends on tomorrow. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.